everyone, I'm Chen, and I'm excited to be your host for today's Sik Sik Yuen Joint Primary School English Book Sharing Competition.
We're glad to see so many enthusiastic participants and supporters here today.
Right, we have participants from 4 Sik Sik Yuen sponsored primary schools, including Ho Ming, Ho Yu, Ho Sun, and Ho Lai.
Now let's welcome our next participant. Here comes Chan Tze Long from Ho Ming Primary School, presenting the book Be Kind, which highlights the values of empathy and respect for others.
Hello everyone, I'm Jason from class 2A. Today I want to share my favorite book, Be Kind by Pat. This book carries an important message about kindness, and I really enjoy reading it because it made me think about how I can be a better person.
Now, let's bring on Lai Tin Wing from Ho Ming Primary School. He will present the book Tin, My Special Brother, which highlights the values of the Netherlands.
Good morning, I'm Justin. Today, I want to tell you about a special book called Tin, My Special Brother. It's a story about courage, kindness, and how being different can be wonderful. See this boy in the wheelchair? He's Tin. This book shows us that love can turn struggles into superpowers. Your mind can fly higher than your legs.
Now, let's bring on Ng Wen Sub from Ho Ming Primary School. She will present the book The Most Magnificent Thing, which highlights the values of perseverance.
Hello everyone, I'm Winsome from Primary 4, Ho Ming Primary School. I like this book, The Most Magnificent Thing, by Ashley Spires. It's all about a girl who's shown perseverance. My teacher said I've shown the same quality like hers, so I'm gonna use I instead of she to tell her story. I'm a regular girl, and my best friend is my dog. We do all kinds of things together. We race, eat, explore, and relax together. One day, I have a wonderful idea to make the most magnificent thing in the world all by myself. No, ourselves. First, I gather some supplies. While I'm twinkling, hammering, and measuring, I know my hard work attracts a few admirers, but they don't understand. They can't see the magnificent thing that I have in my